Kiichiro Toyoda was born in 1894. His father, Sakichi, was a successful inventor. Sakichi invented the automatic loom. This made Japan's textile industry very strong. Kiichiro was fascinated by machines. He loved to tinker and learn how things worked. He spent hours in his father's workshop. He dreamed of building something amazing. His father's work ethic rubbed off on him. Kiichiro went to Tokyo Imperial University. He studied mechanical engineering. He graduated in 1920. He was eager to make his mark on the world. He knew he wanted to be an inventor just like his father. After university, Kiichiro joined his father's company, Toyota Loom Works. He was a bright young engineer. He quickly learned the business. He also traveled the world. He saw the rise of a new machine, the automobile. Kiichiro was captivated by cars. He saw their potential to change the world. He believed cars could give people freedom and mobility. He was determined to bring this technology to Japan. Kiichiro faced opposition from his family. They thought cars were too risky. They wanted to stick with textiles, but Kiichiro was persistent. He knew cars were the future. He convinced his father to let him start a small automobile department within Toyota Loom Works. This was a pivotal moment. It marked the beginning of Toyota's journey. The early days were tough. Kiichiro and his team had limited resources. They had to be resourceful. They often had to make do with what they had. They faced technical challenges. They had to learn everything from scratch. They dismantled cars to understand them. They studied foreign designs. They experimented with different engines and components. Failure was common. But Kiichiro never gave up. He encouraged his team to keep going. He believed in their ability to succeed. He instilled a culture of continuous improvement. He wanted to build cars that were not just copies, but better. This relentless pursuit of excellence would become a hallmark of Toyota. In 1937, Kiichiro's dream was realized. Toyota Motor Company was officially founded. The company's first car, the Model AA, was a testament to Kiichiro's vision. It was a reliable and affordable car. It was designed for the Japanese people. Kiichiro didn't just want to build cars, he wanted to build a company that was innovative and efficient. He drew inspiration from Henry Ford's assembly line, but he wanted to make it even better. He introduced the concept of just-in-time production. This system minimized waste and increased efficiency. It would later become known as the Toyota Production System. This system would revolutionize the automotive industry. Section 5 Innovation at its core, Toyota Production System. The Toyota Production System, also known as lean manufacturing, was Kiichiro's masterpiece. It was a radical departure from traditional manufacturing methods. It focused on eliminating waste. It empowered workers to solve problems. It emphasized continuous improvement. This system was based on two key principles: jidoka and just-in-time. Jidoka gave machines the ability to detect problems and stop automatically. This ensured quality control. Just-in-time production meant parts were delivered only when needed. This reduced inventory costs. This system was a game changer. It made Toyota one of the most efficient and reliable car manufacturers in the world. Section 6 Leading with Vision. Kiichiro's leadership and its impact. Kiichiro was not just an engineer and inventor. He was a visionary leader. He had a knack for inspiring his employees. He fostered a culture of teamwork and innovation. He believed in empowering his workers. He encouraged them to take risks and learn from their mistakes. His leadership style was based on respect, trust, and a shared commitment to excellence. He led by example. He wasn't afraid to get his hands dirty on the factory floor. He understood the importance of every worker in the production process. His leadership was instrumental in Toyota's success. Section 7. Global expansion, Toyota's journey beyond borders. Under Kiichiro's leadership, Toyota grew rapidly. It became the largest automaker in Japan, but Kiichiro had even bigger ambitions. He wanted to expand Toyota globally. He wanted to share his vision of mobility with the world. He started by exporting cars to the United States in the 1950s. It was a bold move. Japanese cars were not well known in the US at the time, but Kiichiro was confident in the quality and affordability of his cars. He believed they could compete with American car makers. He was right. Toyota cars quickly gained popularity in the US. They were known for their fuel efficiency, reliability, and affordability. Section 8. The legacy of Kiichiro Toyoda, a lasting impression. Kiichiro Toyoda passed away in 1952. He was only 57 years old, but his legacy lived on. Toyota continued to grow and innovate. It became one of the most successful companies in the world. Kiichiro's vision of mobility for all became a reality. His innovative production system revolutionized the automotive industry. His company became a symbol of Japanese quality and efficiency. Kiichiro's story is an inspiration. It's a story of vision, determination, and innovation. It's a story that continues to shape the automotive industry today. His impact on the world is undeniable. Section 9. Conclusion: the enduring spirit of Toyota's vision. Kiichiro Toyoda was a true visionary. He saw the potential of automobiles to change the world. He overcame countless challenges to make his dream a reality. He left behind a legacy of innovation, quality, and efficiency. His Toyota production system transformed manufacturing. It continues to inspire businesses today. His story reminds us that with passion, perseverance, and a bit of grease under the fingernails, anything is possible. His impact on the automotive industry is immeasurable. He is remembered as the father of Toyota. He is a legend in the world of automobiles.